Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate YouTube TV on your Android TV box, follow these simple steps to access live television channels and unlimited DVR storage. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV box and ensure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. A stable connection is necessary for downloading apps and streaming content. Step 2. Navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android TV box home screen. This is where you'll find and download the YouTube TV application. Step 3. In the Play Store, search for YouTube TV using the search function. Select the official YouTube TV app when it appears in the search results. Step 4. Click Install to download and install the YouTube TV app on your Android TV box. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Open the YouTube TV app from your app drawer or home screen. The app will launch and display a welcome screen with options to sign in or start a free trial. Step 6. Select Sign In if you already have a YouTube TV subscription, or choose Try It Free if you're a new user. You'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. Step 7. Enter your Google account email address and password using the on-screen keyboard. You can use your Android TV remote or connect a keyboard for easier text input. Step 8. After signing in, YouTube TV will automatically activate on your Android TV box and display your available channels and DVR content. Browse the channel guide, watch live TV, or access your recorded programs. Your YouTube TV is now fully set up and ready to use on your Android TV box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.